rotate it, and from there you see how the bristles, it just pretty much would. Actually, I don't have any plants ready to harvest yet, so I will be using this the next time. I'll compare it to the trim bag, but as you can see, that's pretty much just going to brush against them, causing them to brush against the crate at the bottom, as well as there's actually a little blade. If you see that blade spinning around there, that's actually helping to trim whatever hangs below the crate. And then everything after that just falls down into the bucket, and then once the bucket's full, you just pull the bucket out and then toss that larf out, or actually, in our case, keep the larf, and then store it, make some rosin. But this definitely looks like it's gonna work pretty good, honestly. I think this honestly, looking at it, seems better than the trim bag to me. The trim bag was actually a lot of work, but excited to see this. Shout out to Vivo-san. Definitely, I haven't used it yet, so when I actually do use it, I'll leave my review on it. But first impression, I'm definitely a fan of it. And shout out to Vivo-san, they actually sent us this for free, so that's pretty good. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and let me know down in the comment section. Do you have the trim bowl or have you used the trim bag, and which do you prefer? Also, that circular mat that I put on the inside, it goes underneath it. So before you guys comment and get on me, I didn't really notice. I just saw it was circular, it fits inside, and I went with it. But yeah, it's actually to hold it steady. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe.
Some people are scared of zombies or vampires, but the thing that scares black people the most are niggas and nigga moments. Tom Dubois was as far from a nigga as a black man could be. But Stick Reader knew that every black man's spirit is weakened during a nigga moment.
What the? Oh, come on, you nincompoop! You can't do that! Hey! Come on!
Nigga moments can happen to any black man at any time.
Hey! That was my space! I had my blinker on and everything! Fuck you, punk-ass, bougie-ass, hook-ass nigga! I'll beat your motherfucking sadiddy-ass nigga! Don't never in your life ever try to holler at me, nigga! Fuck with me, nigga, I'll be the top of the trunk on your bitch-ass nigga! Get my motherfucking What did you say, nigga? You know what, motherfucker? Eat a dick, nigga. I'm tired of this mother. Oh, yeah. Look at you. You was popping all that good shit a second ago. Then you got kicked in your chest. You eat a dick, nigga. You eat a dick. Oh my God. Sir, are you okay? Who did this to you? What did he look like? Did anyone see who accosted this man? I got a date. I can't.
So I definitely have heard over the years that flushing during the, at the end of the flower cycle will remove any excess minerals from the plant. I believe most of the community has accepted at this point that that is not in fact true. However, there may be some validity in the belief that the plant has a better flavor, improved smoke quality by essentially starving it for the last week or so of its life. And that may or may not increase certain, terpene levels. That was kind of our assumption going in.
Many growers have been doing this for a very long time, and they have, through trial and error.
Well, let's pause that real quick because we got another of the levers done. Shouts out to the lever gang. It's this one right here. See, we got 1, 2, 3 done now. Hey, we making some progress. Shout out to this base. Told you, it's a project, baby. You ain't got no projects or no homework for 2025. Should have been on the mission, boy. Hey, go back and rewind the workbook. That way you'll know how to get your homework.